Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to enable two-factor authentication in CoinMarketCap. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your CoinMarketCap account, helping protect your account from unauthorized access. First of all, launch open the CoinMarketCap application on your device and log in. Once you're inside the home page of CoinMarketCap, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, click on Settings. Under Settings, go ahead and look for Google Authenticator option from the bottom and tap on it. Now toggle on the button right next to Google Authenticator, and then, as mentioned on the screen, go ahead and download and install the Google Authenticator app on your device. You can scan this QR code to download, or you can also download it via App Store or your Google Play Store by tapping on the download button. Once you have done downloading the Google Authenticator app, sign in with your Google account, and then, once you're inside the Google Authenticator page, tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner. You will see this Enter a Setup Key button. Go back to your CoinMarketCap app and tap Next. From your Google Authenticator page, tap on the plus button at the bottom right and click on Scan a QR code. Now go ahead and scan the QR code that is displayed in your CoinMarketCap application. Once you scan the QR code, you will then be able to add your CoinMarketCap app in the Google Authenticator. Now once you do that, you will be able to enable two-factor authentication on CoinMarketCap. The app will then generate 6-digit authentication code, tap on it, and then get back to CoinMarketCap application and paste it in whenever needed. So that is how you easily enable two-factor authentication in CoinMarketCap. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.